My name is Faith and I'm 17 and I'm here with ECOC today.
My name is Ganesh Shabu and I go to Miles Mac Colgate.
Hi, my name is Michael. I'm almost 18.
Hi everyone, I'm Ajiwe Jesu. So I attend the CRCU program and we came to Lake Manitoba for camping.
Hi, my name is Lat. I go to Kildonan East.
Hello, my name's Lake. I go to Elmwood High School.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Queen Latifa.
Hello, my name is Grace.
Hi, I'm Gabriela. I attend KE and I attend the U program at ECRC.
Hi, my name is Lavette. I also attend KE.
Hello, my name is Amir and I go to Elmwood.
Hi, my name is Lucia Mdulaka. I'm 16 years old. I go to Miles Mac Collegiate.
What I learned from camp is the diversity, getting used to new people and hanging out with my friends. Also, the experience, learning new things, like cleaning up after ourselves. That's one of the big skills we learned at camp. Yeah. And we also went fishing, such as go swimming and using the sauna. So, yeah.
What I learned at camp was how to fish and how to hook a fish. And I learned a lot of patience.
What I liked about camp is how the community came together and other things we did that I didn't do before. We watched a video about growing mindset, and what I learned from that video is that it's better to not run from your problems, just run towards them so you can get challenged harder and you can improve better.
I learned that going to the summer camping requires discipline as it is required everywhere anyone goes. And also something that is very important about this summer camping, I think everyone should get to know each other because that is the most fascinating part of the summer camping. And thank you.
And one thing I learned from camp was bonding skills. So before I came to this camp, I didn't really know a lot of the other people. But then we sat around the bonfire and we got to introduce each other, and that's how I learned more people's like names and got to connect with more people.
I learned why a growth mindset is important and how to nurture it.
I learned that even if you're not from the same country, the same place, you can all be family no matter what race you are. From one of the sessions, I learned that we should actually bond to challenges if we want to actually overcome them. And I just had so much fun, that's it. So I learned how to become an achiever, how to soar like an eagle, and how to be strategic when you're trying to achieve something in life.
We need to be able to listen to advice and process it, and it's gonna take us further in life. And we also watched a movie called Queen of Katwe. I learned that we should always try our hardest, even though we've achieved the common goal already, like a goal set. We should keep going further and climbing the top.
I think this camp is important because for me personally, I would have never done these things if nobody pushed me to do them. All summer I just been going my job, staying home, doing basically doing nothing. So this is a good chance to go out, see nature, and experience new things.
I think this camp is really important because to me, it really made me really reconnect with my old ECRC people, the people I knew.
I think camp is important because it gives kids an opportunity to meet new people and get away from their everyday lives and their phones and to do something new, experience something new. Yeah, and it was really fun.
Should be done again next year because I learned many skills. This was my first time going to a cabin and I got to learn how to fish, how to start a fire, and all these skills that I would have never learned if I never went to this camp. So, and I really enjoyed it. It was fun. I liked the hot tub. I liked hanging out with my friends. So yeah, it should happen again.
I learned that it's very important to go to the summer camping because you get to know one another with people from different schools, different places, people that you never met before.
It gives people new experience. There's some people that haven't gone camping in their life before, and it also give them the chance to go do stuff like be outside, just not being on your phone like we always do like at home, and go outside, swim and stuff like that.
As me, I never went to any place where like there is water around. Like I saw how to fish, and now I can like go into the water and try to swim.
It help us get outside of our comfort zone and give us the mindset to learn.
Peaceful environment, alter ourselves for a bit, connecting with nature, people, you know, outdoors.
I think it's really fun because I never thought I was gonna have this much fun during summers. As when my bestie invited me here, I had the best fun this summer. Camp is important because it helps us come out of our comfort zones and, you know, like associate with people, learn, like improve our social skills and how to talk to people and relate with people.
So I think camping is important because it teaches morals, it makes you have fun, like it helps you like to relate with people you haven't met before, and it's helps you like getting out of your own comfort zone. So I think camping is really, really important for like everybody.
Camp is fun, and we hope that we can continue this later on in the years.
Thank you, CRC.
Thank you.
Thank you.